Welcome all. Myself, Geetu Gopnath, Assistant Professor, Department of Statistics, Christ College, Irinjalakuda. In today's world, learning statistics is very essential. And here we are going to introduce a programming language called R. In particular, we are dealing with introduction statistical analysis using R. The biggest question arises in your mind is learning such a programming language, whether it is worth or not. What is the scope? What's the future of R? And I am glad to say that during this tutorial, we are going to answer all these questions and will help you to reach your desired goals.
What is R? R is the most popular language in the world of data science. It is heavily used in analyzing data that is both structured and unstructured, and this made R the standard language for performing statistical operations. Next, R is a free open source language. It was developed by Rose Issaha and Robert Gentleman in 1993, and they decided to name this language with their name's first letter, hence the name R programming. It has been developed for statistical computing and graphics supported by R Foundation. As of September 2020, R ranks 9th in TEOP index. The next question arises is why R? R is one of the programming language which has gained immense popularity among the data science. And also we choose R because it's free to install, it offers independent platform, it can integrate with other languages, and it's continuously expanding, and the people from the whole world are contributing to its development. And it also offers a wide diversity of packages and various graphical features. Next, which all companies are hiring R programmers? The biggest tech giants like Google, Twitter, Microsoft, New York Times, and others using R for analyzing the data and predicting the outcomes. To deal with the big data, often these organizations or other companies hire developers knowing the programming language which best fit for data science. Next is about the career options other than IT industry. These are the various organizations who are hiring R programmers. So in banks, in health organization, in various governmental departments, and in various manufacturing companies. Here all the R programmers are in demand, especially in emerging startups. Next, some of the positions that they are available for R programmers. Some job roles as data scientist, business analyst, data analyst, data visualization expert, and quantitative analyst. Nextly, what are the reasons or why the researchers learn R programming? Because it made their calculation simple and also fast. Then it's a comprehensive language, it's an open source language. It provides various graphical libraries. It contains a wide array of packages and also handling all sorts of data. And it is useful for postgraduate students to complete their project works, which includes data analysis. Thank you.